Did you know, with one simple natural fertilizer you can make at home, you can help your Anthurium grow stronger, look greener, and bloom more consistently over time. In today's video, I'll walk you step by step through a natural fertilizer method that works great for indoor Anthurium. If you're looking for a safe, easy, chemical-free way to care for your Anthurium, this video is worth watching till the end. Pay close attention, because even one small detail can make a big difference for your plant. Now, let's get started. The first ingredient I use is a peeled onion, about 1/3 of a bulb. I don't use much, because this amount is more than enough for this step. I slice the onion thinly and then chop it into small pieces. Cutting it smaller helps the onion release its natural compounds more effectively when mixed with water. Onions contain natural compounds that many growers use to keep the root area cleaner and help reduce harmful fungi and bacteria around Anthurium plants. Which country are you watching from? I'm so happy to welcome you to Flower Care Garden. Please leave a comment below and let me know. It's amazing that we can connect and chat with each other from all around the world. In addition, this video is also dubbed into multiple languages. These include English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily switch languages in the video settings for a more comfortable viewing experience. After chopping, I put all the onion into a clean glass container. The second ingredient is coffee, a very familiar item in most households. I add 1 teaspoon of coffee together with the prepared onion. Next, pour in about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water and stir well, allowing the nutrients to dissolve completely. Finally, let the mixture steep for 1 hour so the active compounds are fully extracted before use. After 1 hour of steeping, I stir the solution again to release the antibacterial compounds and natural enzymes from the onion and coffee into the water. Next, I strain out all the residue, keeping only the extracted liquid. This liquid is a concentrated onion and coffee extract, rich in sulfur, vitamins, and beneficial natural compounds. Then, I add 500 milliliters of clean water and mix well to reach a safe concentration before use. The finished solution helps stimulate root growth, improve resistance, and support healthier Anthurium plants. Step 1. Wipe the leaves using an onion and coffee solution. I prepare a soft cotton pad or thin cloth and soak it evenly in the prepared onion and coffee solution. Before wiping, I gently squeeze it so it remains slightly damp, preventing dripping or water buildup on the leaves. Next, I gently wipe each Anthurium leaf, starting from the main vein and gradually moving toward the edges. The motions are slow and even, without rubbing hard, to protect the leaf surface and avoid damage. Wiping the leaves removes accumulated dust, and residue over time while opening the leaf pores. This allows the plant to breathe more easily and improves nutrient absorption and metabolic activity. Onion provides natural sulfur and antibacterial compounds that help suppress fungi, bacteria, and small insects commonly found on leaf surfaces. Meanwhile, coffee supplies trace minerals and organic compounds that support leaf tissue recovery, making the leaves thicker, darker green, and naturally glossy. As the solution gradually penetrates the leaf surface, the plant absorbs just the right amount without excess or stress. The micronutrients then begin to work, boosting resistance and helping the plant recover better after flowering. After wiping, the Anthurium leaves appear noticeably clean, firm, and glossy. This is not a chemical shine, but the plant's natural vitality awakened from within. Step 2. Spray the natural nutrient solution over the entire Anthurium plant. After finishing the leaf wiping step, I pour the onion and coffee solution into a fine mist spray bottle. I evenly spray the solution over the entire Anthurium plant from the base and stem to the top, covering both the upper and underside of the leaves. This is done gently, as if bathing the plant in a cool morning mist. When the solution is finely misted onto the leaves, stems, and root area, the micronutrients from onion and coffee begin to take effect. Onion provides sulfur, enzymes, and antibacterial compounds, while coffee supplies minerals and natural organic compounds, helping the plant recover quickly and grow stronger from within. The natural active compounds in onion also have antibacterial, antifungal, and mild insect-repelling properties, protecting the plant from pests without harmful chemicals. The cool, nutrient-rich mist helps lower leaf surface temperature, especially on hot days. At the same time, the solution lightly moistens the stomata, allowing the leaves to absorb light more efficiently and enhance photosynthesis. As a result, the plant grows more vigorously, develops steadily, and increases its ability to produce new shoots. Step 3. Water the growing medium with the onion and coffee solution. I continue using the remaining onion and coffee solution to water the entire growing medium of the Anthurium plant. Onion contains natural sulfur compounds and root-stimulating enzymes that promote new root formation and help regenerate weak or damaged roots. Coffee supplies trace minerals and mild organic compounds that help nourish beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium. As a result, the growing media remains loose, lightly moist, and well aerated, allowing the plant to absorb water and minerals more efficiently. Natural antibacterial compounds in onion help suppress fungi and bacteria that cause root rot, keeping the medium clean and moisture balanced. When the root system is healthy and energized, the plant quickly produces new shoots and new leaves. This prepares the plant well for its next flowering cycle. After soaking the roots in the solution for about 10 minutes, I gently lift the plant out and allow the roots to drain naturally. Finally, I place the plant in an area with diffused light, not too harsh, but sufficient for energy absorption and gentle recovery. Step 4. Dry the leaves after soaking. After soaking the plant in the solution for about 10 minutes, I gently lift it out and allow the excess liquid to drain naturally. Next, I use a soft cloth or clean cotton pad to gently dry the leaf surfaces, especially around the leaf joints and veins where water tends to collect. Drying the leaves helps prevent prolonged moisture, reducing the risk of fungal diseases and leaf rot. When the leaf surface is clean and dry, the stomata function more steadily, allowing better respiration and metabolism. Drying the leaves also helps prevent leaf burn when the plant is exposed to light after treatment. A clean, dry leaf surface allows the remaining nutrients to work more effectively. This is especially important for plants that are weak or have just finished flowering. This step helps the plant stabilize quickly after treatment, reduces stress, and prevents leaf burn when exposed to light. After completion, the Anthurium leaves are dry, firm, and naturally glossy, ready for the next recovery and growth phase. With simple ingredients like onion and coffee, we can create a completely natural plant care method right at home. No chemical fertilizers, no complicated techniques, just a little time and a little care for your plant. In return, the plant rewards you with deep green leaves, longer-lasting blooms, and strong vitality. Anthurium is not only a beautiful plant, but also a symbol of resilience and good fortune. Thank you for spending your time with me in today's video. If you found this content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support more natural and eco-friendly plant care methods. See you in the next videos.